Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to do phonics sound. So first we begin with letter A, and B, P, 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 C, K, 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 D, da, da. Now we will do letter E, A. The difference between A and is that we say this politely, and this is F. G, K, H, 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 I, E, J, J, K, 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 L, L. See my tongue, this is behind my teeth. L, M, both the lips are together and inside. Now this is this is O, 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 O. This is like we blow a candle na, and we blew it like this. This is P, Q, Qua, 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 R, S, T, Ta, Ta, Ta. Like we are playing whenever we play tennis na. So ball move from left to right like ta, 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 ta. This is U, up. Like we open umbrella na, up, upwards. So this is up, U, up. This is V, W. Put your lips behind your teeth. W. This is W. Like W, W, watch. See my lips, these are round. W. This is X. Y, yeah. Y, yeah. Z, Z. Thank you. Have a nice day.